Most of us don't like to dwell on what might be if something in our lives were to go wrong. But if you've ever had a car accident, damage to your home, or lost a loved one, you know how important pre-planning can be. Because there are so many options out there, I'm here at the Gaudreau Group to find out how they can help you protect the people and things that are most important to you. I'm here with Jules Gaudreau, president of the Gaudreau Group. Jules, thank you so much for being on the program.
My pleasure, Maggie.
Jules, when it comes to insurance, longevity really matters. When was the Gaudreau Group established?
The Gaudreau Group was established in 1921 by my grandfather, Oscar Gaudreau, so over 90 years ago. My father and his twin brother took over the agency in 1953, and I came in 1983, so we've been around a long time. The fourth generation of our family business is actually working here today.
Jules, what's different about the services that someone would be provided with here at the Gaudreau Group?
Our service is different from most agencies in that we have a wide variety of insurance carriers that we can represent. Second, we have a discovery process in which we use checklists to determine the appropriate coverage on an individualized basis for any one of our clients. And that allows us to make sure that the insurance is the right insurance for their particular situation. We then shop that insurance out to those 60 insurance companies and arrive at the most economic way of protecting their needs.
None of us like to think about life insurance, but why is it so important to have, and when should somebody take out a policy?
Well, I think both life insurance and disability insurance are important things for people to think about, particularly younger people. If you are in a situation where you rely financially on another person, that other person should have both life and disability insurance. If someone's death or disability caused you to change your life, caused your children to be removed from their world, well, obviously that person's life should be insured, because life insurance isn't for the people who die, it's for the people who live. And so we encourage everybody to make that determination when they're younger, because life insurance is so much less expensive if purchased, say, when you're 28 or 30 years old.
Jules, you also offer business owners health insurance, is that correct?
That's correct. We are one of the largest writers of health insurance for businesses in this area, actually in Hampden and Hampshire County. We have hundreds and hundreds of businesses, and about 30,000 employees and their family members are covered by the Gaudreau Group.
What is the benefit for business owners to have their health insurance locally?
We help businesses design the right employee benefits program for their employees, both from an economic standpoint as well as a coverage standpoint. We then follow that up with service that is bar none better than any other place that they could buy it. I have a team of 6 professionals that services every health insurance plan that we provide.
These days, we're all inundated with advertisements for large national companies selling cheap insurance. What are the pitfalls of those companies?
Well, very simply, we don't sell cheap insurance. We sell the right insurance. You know, when you have a claim and you're worried about losing the things that are most important to you, you're not concerned about how cheap it was. You're concerned if it was done right, followed up by people who are professionals who can help you get the most out of your insurance policy, and that's what we do here at the Gaudreau Group.
Being a local business, how important is community to you, and how do you stay involved with community?
Whether it's the YMCA or the Wilbraham Nature and Cultural Center, the Rotary Club, or the Chamber of Commerce, there are so many different organizations that we hold leadership positions in. It's been something very important. We believe that helping organizations like that and being involved in the community makes it a better place for us to both live and work, as well as for those people that we serve.
If you aren't properly insured, or if you're unhappy with your coverage, call the Gaudreau Group today at 413-543-3534.